Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 17th July current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the current affairs. The first one, India registers steep decline in maternal mortality ratio. What is this MMR? MMR is defined as the number of maternal deaths during a given time period 1 lakh live births. The word maternal relates to female or woman. Here, the maternal mortality ratio MMR between 2016 and 2018 dropped to 113 in India, almost 100 deaths lesser than in the 2007 and 2019 period. Right side I have given a picture related to maternal mortality ratio. If you see that one, if you see in 2007 and 2009, almost 212, that is 212 maternal deaths are there. If you see in 2016 and 2018 period, almost it is steeply declined to 113. Deaths dropped from 130 to 113 in 2016 and 2018. Who will release this maternal mortality ratio MMR? Released by the Office of Registrars General's Sample Registration System SRS. It comes under the target of Sustainable Development Goals. There are total 17 Sustainable Development Goals are there. The target of 3.1 of Sustainable Development Goals. Maternal death is the death of women while pregnant or within 42 days of termination of a pregnancy. Next one, for equal treatment. For whom we have to give equal treatment. Here the Supreme Court did well to extend to the disabled the relaxations given to SC, ST, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. There is an act related to rights of persons with a disabled Act 2016. Here please see the article as an exam point of view. Don't take it as a controversial subject. We have to concentrate more on subject only. Don't deviate due to other subjects or other concepts or other things. Here if you see the 2001 census put the illiteracy rate among the disabled at 51%. That means in 2001 census all these illiteracy rate of disabled persons, it is more than 50%, that means 51%. If you see in employment rate also, inadequate representation in employment too. That's why Supreme Court did well extend the disabled with relaxations at per the SC and ST. Here there is Act of Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. Here this act is raising quota from 3% to 5%. This is about for equal treatment at per the SC/ST for the disabled persons or physically challenged persons. Next one, SC to examine Kerala Act Animal Bird Sacrifices. Here the section 28 of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals 1960 does not make the killing of animals for religious purpose an offence. In India we will see in many places or many states there is a ritual or is a religious practice, that means we will kill or we will cut the animals for a deity or a goddesses. That is a ritual program or a traditional one. Now SC to examine Kerala Act, Kerala has stopped that act on animal and bat sacrifices to the deity. If you see that 1968 law bans killing of animals and birds for religious sacrifices but not for personal consumption. In other hand, some persons are telling we are eating chicken or we are eating meat or beef are related to some non-vegetarian things. At the same time, it is equal to we are giving some traditional custom to the deity or goddesses. What is in wrong that some other are claiming? But if you see there is a dichotomy. That means if you see in 1960 Act, that is Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. If you see in 1968 state law that bans killing of animals and birds for religious sacrifices, but not for the personal consumption. There is a dichotomy. That means two different views are there. Here highlighted the dichotomy in animal protection law that allows killing of animals for food but does not permit the killing of animals for offer to deity and then consumption. Here we have to wait for the order of or we have to wait for the judgment of Supreme Court. Next one, no postal ballot facility for voter above 65, said by election of Election Commission of India, EC. Here, in the situation of Bihar Assembly elections, Election Commission of India said that no postal ballot facility for voter above 65. In general elections, or if you see in 2019 elections, there is a postal ballot facility. First of all, we have to know what is this postal ballot facility. Then only we will understand the how EC has removed the or how EC removed that postal ballot facility above 85. Why? Because COVID-19 cases are increasing day by day. Almost if you see in yesterday's statistics, India crossed 1 million cases. That means India crossed 10 lakhs cases. In that situation, Bihar want to take a poll. For that, people has to participate in that poll. Due to COVID-19, if gatherings are happened or polls are happened, there may be rise in a cases also. That's why EC limit the number of electors to 1000 per polling station due to the pandemic COVID-19. But whether it is removed permanently, no. It will be available to electors over 80 years of age, persons with disabilities, essential service workers, and those infected with COVID-19 are suspected to be infected. This is the article regarding no postal ballot facility for voter above 65 said by Election Commission of India. Next one, in the series of UPSC Prelims 2019, we will see the 82nd question. What is the common to the places known as Aliar, Isapur, Kangsabati? Here options are here. A. Recently discovered uranium deposits. B. Tropical rain forests. C. Underground cave systems. D. Water reservoirs. Here the right option is Aliar, Isaipur, Kangsabati in West Bengal. These are the water reservoirs. That's why we can put 82nd question. D is the right options. D is the water. These Aliar, Isapur, Kangsabati are the water reservoirs. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye-bye.